Arizona's so-called fake electors are once again trying to get their case thrown out. Let's start with some background on how all of this started. Back in December of 2020, the so-called Republican fake electors signed a document claiming they were Arizona's legitimate electors. This was after Donald Trump lost Arizona to Joe Biden.
Then in April of 2024, after a year-long investigation, Democratic Attorney General Chris Mays charged 18 people, including several Trump allies, in an alleged criminal conspiracy to overturn Arizona's 2020 election results.
In August of 24, the Maricopa County judge overseeing the case steps down after a report emerges that he urged fellow judges to defend Democratic presidential nominee Kamala Harris from attacks. A new judge was assigned to the case.
12 News journalist Bram Resnick was in court today when the new judge on the case delivered a bombshell. He's joining us now live in studio with the details. Bram?
Caribe, Judge Sam Myers set aside a full day today for the defendant's lawyers to argue why he should dismiss the case. Turns out Myers already had his mind made up. Within the first few minutes, he delivered a stunning setback to Attorney General Chris Mays.
The judge's ruling came with little warning.
Counsel, I know that I've just thrown your day into a little bit of unexpected turn.
Maricopa County Superior Court Judge Sam Myers steered the so-called fake electors case down a new path. Under a 3-year-old state law, Democratic Attorney General Chris Mays could now be forced to prove that her criminal prosecution of the Republican defendants wasn't a political attack on their free speech rights. Mays plans to appeal to a higher court. She said in a statement, "It is not the lawful exercise of free speech to file forged slates of electors to deprive Arizona voters of their right to vote." The 16 remaining defendants are charged with 9 felonies each. They allegedly participated in a criminal conspiracy to overturn Donald Trump's defeat in Arizona's 2020 presidential vote. The judge cited this Mays comment after she took office in 2023. "We obviously can't ever have this happen again or anything close to it."
I think the bottom line here is that this is a significant loss for the state. It doesn't mean the case is over, but it means the defendants have the wind at their back.
Corey Langhofer is a Phoenix attorney who wrote a 2022 update on the law the defense is relying on. He cautions the law might not be enough.
This may be the best defense they have in the case. So if the state overcomes this and the motion is ultimately denied, the case gets much more difficult to defend.
Now, you might be wondering when this case will go to trial. With this latest setback, a trial, if it takes place, could happen during the middle of the 2026 election campaign, 6 years after the alleged conspiracy occurred. Bram Resnick, 12 News.
Bram, thanks.